What's up guys, welcome back to another video of my bedroom makeover. So our closet has arrived. It did come in this flimsy box, so I'm gonna open it, making sure that it's like all in one piece, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So keep on watching. Okay, so we're back. I went ahead and painted the trims. I did like 2 coats. I don't even know if it came out good still. There's like little things like this, but it's like just painting over what was already on there previously, because I would never. And I went ahead and used a box cutter to cut some outlines on here, and I took the screw offs. You know, it's not that easy, so if we fuck shit up, we fuck shit up. And there's no going back. So let me go ahead and see if I can set this camera down so that we can get started. Okay, so this is the best I can do for the camera, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna hit this thing up to detach it, and then I'm gonna hit the sideboards, and hopefully they come off without ripping up the wall, but yeah. Oh, it's working. Bit. I didn't even think about it, there's nails on there. Okay. So this part is still usable in case I have to go back. If my hair looks bad from the back, I haven't had a haircut in like a minute. Okay, this sucks because I'm gonna have to do more work. This part, yeah, I took the screws off that. This part, I'm gonna start with the sides. Oh, you can kind of see it, so okay. Oh, that's not gonna work. It's probably attached with nails on the wall. I'm just curious. Oh, you know what? That actually, it like loosens the nails up. It's working. Yes. Look at me go. Oh, okay. That was the thing that holds the rod. Oh shit. I feel unstoppable. It's getting hot. Nick. I need a little break. It's getting hot in here. This kind of like locks those in a bit, and Dang, I'm gonna need a new little cover thing. Hammer, cover, because I don't really want to hit things too hard, but it doesn't really matter. Alright, well anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish right up, and then I'll show you whatever ends up happening. Okay, so here is the aftermath. Alright, not too bad in my opinion. I think I did a pretty decent job. So I will have to go in and fill these holes. There is slight little difference between the paint jobs that have been done in the past and the original one, I guess. So I saw this thing where I have to get like this thing to scrape it. So I'll probably do that, and I might get some of the like the hole filler and put it in there, and then just kind of like smooth it out. And then eventually it'll maybe like a new, whatever you call this, texture, wall texture will be applied and painted over. I might just rock the closet with like just like the layer, and no, I'll probably paint it because I don't know, we'll see. I feel like I'm gonna end up putting the closet up and then taking it down to paint just to get things up and running, because I'm working with the rack right now, I'm working with a container, and apparently I have a lot of clothes I'm working with. Some bags as well. But yeah, oh, and earlier I slammed the shit out of my hand. Not this, like whenever I walked out of the restroom or something, somehow I smacked it, and when I looked at it, there was blood, so that's why I'm rocking a Band-Aid. But anyways, yeah, just I'm gonna go ahead and take the closet out, which I actually, now that I think about it, I didn't even look to see if it's one piece, but anyways, I would just exchange it or something if needed. I got it from the Home Depot, so it's easier, and it was like probably like $10-20 less than Amazon, so I went ahead and did that. But yeah, just keep watching. The next little clip should be the closet installed. I say it that way because I'm thinking about it, and I may have to go to the Home Depot and get like something to saw the rods, because now that I think about it, they may have to be cut to fit it where I want it, because otherwise the rods will be a little larger and they'll probably be over here, and I don't know, I'm kind of wanting it like right in the middle as far as the shelving goes. But anyways, yeah, just keep watching. Bye for now. So this is the closet system that we're working with. It's by Closet Made. It ranges from 4 feet to 9 feet wide, and this is like what we're gonna be looking at, hopefully. I painted, I still haven't taken this off because I ran out of tape, and I kind of want to go over this part with the roller so it can, I don't know, look better. I went ahead and I think I did a pretty good job on this. Like I used the this right here. This thing right here was kind of small, but it was like just enough for this. It comes with like spatula. I don't know. I'll link it. I'll link everything that I'm using. And here's a closer look. It's not like perfect, but I'm hoping that I feel like the paint going over it is gonna make it look good enough, and I'm going to kind of like try and add a little texture with the paint wherever I feel like it needs it. I didn't put any here because I feel like this was kind of like seamless, so I didn't feel like it really needed any. So yeah, so it's taking a lot longer to put this up because when you're recording, it takes more time. So I have to find like the amount of, I don't know, I just have to find the proper time where I'm able to actually record, where it's nice and quiet. And I still have the stuff in here. I didn't want to put it up because I want to make sure that I get rid of the nails before I put it anywhere else. That way nobody gets cut. But yeah, so I'm a little out of breath because I was moving things around right now. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and I did go to the Home Depot yesterday to get some stuff. The only thing I wasn't able to get was the paint because of it was like last minute and there was nobody working there anymore in that little section. Hopefully I get to go today so I can get this taken care of, and if so, then the closet will be up ASAP. So the next clip will probably have it up, a little update. But yeah, and in another update, I booked me an appointment, so I'm gonna go get a haircut today. I saw the other clip and I was like, it's time. But yeah, see you soon. Alright, so the closet is up, kind of. So I went to Home Depot. I asked for Mountain Gray. I pointed at the strip and I said, like the one with the colors. And I was like, alright, can I get Mountain Gray, the one on top? I got it. It looked like it was like the correct color from the little like paint on there. And then whenever I got home, I started painting the wall. It was like late at night. It looked darker. My thought was like, okay, like it's gonna get lighter when it dries, if that makes sense. So it didn't dry. So now I couldn't really install the closet up because of it, and so now I have to go to back to the Home Depot, get the correct paint so I can paint the section that needs to be painted. You'll see, and that way I can go ahead and actually install the closet. But it's kind of in there, so I'm gonna give you a preview. I guess in this case, I mean, I wanted the closet to be done this time, but it's gonna end up being like the third video, which will be the last one. It's gonna be like a bedroom tour, final review, if you want to call it. Yeah. What was I saying? I forgot. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like now, and then stay tuned. Subscribe. So that way you can get the notification. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna hold back a little bit, like maybe like possibly even a few weeks before I like post that one, but I'll definitely get some other videos up before then. But let me go ahead and show you what I have, and then I'll just see you guys next time. Okay, so if you can see, I went ahead and I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I switched the covers already. Might look into trying to clean these or replacing them just so it can look crispy. I went ahead and painted, which I feel like I did a decent job. I'm not a professional painter, but like, look at that. All right, and so here is the what I was talking about. Like, you see that? Like, it looks so similar in the can, like the little drop. So yeah, that sucks. I'm thinking like it's gonna dry and it's gonna blend in. As far as like the job that I ended up doing, it doesn't look too bad. It's not gonna be noticeable with clothes covering it, and once the color is the same. Okay, so you know how they say practice makes perfect. So I did the little caulk on the bottom, and it didn't do so well. So I'm kind of like scraping it off, so that's why it looks a little bit like that. But you can see that it looks like pretty clean, like once the floor is actually scraped off. So that was a good choice on my part. I do recommend that. And so here's what the closet is looking like. Let me see how far I can walk. It's gonna do sideways. Okay. So you kind of see the vision. It does fit shoes on there. Let me show you. These shoes are dirty, but I spend a lot of time in the country, so It fits them. I don't know if I'm gonna put shoes on there, but we'll see. Maybe the pretty ones. The other thing is, I think that's it. Oh, actually, no, looks like you see this basic ass closet. Basic ass closet. Bam. So I added a light strip, and I just kind of like, I still have to kind of like paint this side because that's where this is where I ran out of tape. But I have it going all the way across to the other side. I don't want to show too much. And it ends there. It has different settings. You can lower it. Anyways, that's it. So just stay tuned for the next video.